Jacob Zuma's daughters are at each other's throats. This is after one of his daughters opened a criminal case against Duduzile Zuma, who is known as Jacob Zuma's favorite daughter. This is regarding the matter of the 17 South African men who are stuck in Ukraine. I did a video about 2 days ago, 3 days ago, and some people thought I was just attacking Jacob Zuma and all of that. I spoke about how these young men found themselves in Ukraine after Jacob Zuma had sent them allegedly to Russia. So now they find themselves stuck, right? They find themselves stuck in the Ukraine. So the daughter who opened the criminal case released this statement. The statement reads as follows. Statement by Nkosazana